Hi, my name is Yura Moraes from Excel Guru, and this is the user guide to our IFRS 16 spreadsheet module. Now, once you download this spreadsheet from on our platform, basically you want to open it. When you open it, it brings you to the home page. Now, this is the home page. If you want to enter a new lease, you go to that arrow and it takes you to the lease entry form, and all of these informations are significant to the module. Now you want to enter all of your lease information, but for the sake of time, we are just going to modify a lease that is already in the spreadsheet. So we have save, we have modify, we have repose, and we have reset. Now we go to modify. We want to put in the lease number. The lease number is, we put in this number, and it's going to call the lease from in the spreadsheet. Now this is the lease. We want to change. We have Real Madrid as the landlord. We want to change that to Dixie Moraes. Let us change that to Dixie Moraes and click on save. Once you click on save, all of your lease information goes into the database. Now you are going to see that shortly. My computer is slow, that's the reason why it's going like this. But shortly you are going to see all of the lease information. As soon as you save, all of the lease information is going to go now. Wow, you see everything going to the database. Now we also have validation in this. You click on save. It tells you that the space is empty, so you are now going to send a blank form to the spreadsheet or to the database. It has validation in it. Now once you go back, you have all of the reports. This is the individual listing of all of the leases that you have, and this sheet is automated. As soon as you change the information, change here. Now you see Dixie Moraes is there. Dixie Moraes is there. Now we also want to go to the right of use. This is the right of use asset. Complex Excel formulas are in there, and you want to go to lease liability. This is the lease liability spreadsheet, and it's up to 2060. Then the interest expense. We see the interest expense. We want to go to the depreciation charge. What's the depreciation charge for the period? Now these are the reports that you can go to. We also have this variable payment. The variable payment, you have to go in the spreadsheet and enter the information manually when you're supposed to pay as per the lease term. So in this place, you are going to enter all of the variable payments manually. You are going to enter it in all of these areas. The exact day that you're supposed to pay, you are going to enter all of the information in these areas. And like I said, it's up to 2060. So you are going to enter all of the information here, which is very important when you're supposed to pay, because the computation in this spreadsheet is dependent on the information that you put in. So basically you are going to put information in two areas: the lease entry form and this variable payment place. These are the only areas where you are going to manually enter the information. Now we want to go back. Then we have the entry, the accounting entry that you're supposed to book. So with this, no stress. All you need to do, you select the month. If you are in January, you select January, and it's going to give you the exact amount that you're supposed to book as an entry. What you're supposed to debit, what you're supposed to credit. And if you have a new lease, you select the new lease month. It's going to give you the figure. Then you book that entry. If the current month there is no new lease, the place is going to be 0. Now, whenever you pay your lease, what happens is that you reduce your lease liability. So the entry is set automatically. You don't have stress. All you need to do, you enter your information in the spreadsheet, and you are going to get the desired result. So basically this place is the entry sheet. If you are confused on what entry to book, you already have it covered. Now, we also have the help. The help is basically an instruction telling you what to do, what fields are mandatory and what fields are not. This is the instruction of the template. If you get stuck, you can come in this place and see what is required of you. Now, we have all of the reports. We have where you're supposed to go to enter the individual list, and you can go to reports. Then you can also generate the individual listings, and this is the module for IFRS 16 spreadsheet. Now, for upgrade, you can contact Excel Guru.